Hey guys, I got the pressure washer running. Just thought I'd show quickly how do I pressure wash and flush some of my hides. Do this for pretty much anything: deer, antelope, bison, cows, elk, moose, everything you can think of. I don't use it much on coyotes, foxes, thin skin stuff. I'll just flush those by hand. This is a quick demonstration as to what I'm doing. And yeah, I use a 3200 psi gas pressure washer, and I put a 3-foot metal extension on rather than a 2-foot extension, so I don't have to bend over so much when I flush. Some guys use little ramps and stuff, whatever. I just right on the ground on some wood. So check it out and we'll see how this goes. There you go, just like that. That was like 4 minutes. Antelope's finished. So I'll do a little bit of touch up on the face where the cheeks are. But other than that, antelope's done. Nice and white. All the stuff's off. Go to the pickle. Good to go. Not bad, guys. Like I said, 3200 psi. Gas-powered pressure washer, rotary turbo tip on the end with a 3-foot metal extension rather than 2-foot. And yeah, piece of cake. Deer take 5-6 minutes, bust through like 6 or 8 in a couple hours and be done. Or an hour and be good to go. So thanks guys, check it out and watch the next video. Ciao.